What is up, everybody? It is DJ Martini Midwest Reviews coming at you with another video for my channel. Today we have a good one. We have a little mini keg here that we're going to open the party with and get going. Show you how to use this mini keg. It's from the FERRODAY company. It's a stainless mini keg with pressurized pump. You're going to be able to put all kinds of beverages in it. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use, to set up, and everything that's in the box. So we've got a nice little informative review for you today, and we'll get right there quick after I just say thank you again. Watching DJ Martini Midwest Reviews, please lock in, subscribe, share, comment, talk about it, share it, all that kind of stuff. I just want to continue to grow this channel, grow the Martini Nation and community, and keep on being able to make you reviews and tutorials. That's what I love to do. I'm just here to help, give it to you as easy as possible, and then leave some links in case you're interested in some of the products that we talk about. So thank you. I wasn't going to do this item, but I just get so much compliments when I use it and so much good feedback and buzz that I'm like, I got to do a little review on this because it does work good. Let's go ahead and jump in. It does come in a box like this. It does come well packed in another box like this. It does have the instructions. Like I say, it's from the FERRODAY company right here. Has all the things that you need to set up in the box. It comes with the actual keg itself, stainless, comes in black, comes in a normal keg color. I did accessorize it with a little my favorite team, but those are extra stickers that you'd have to put on later. It does come with the pump right there. Once again, added my own collaborate stickers on there. And then it does come with the connection tool on the top. All the hoses you'll need. This is the pour spout hose here with the clamps. It does come with the clamps. It does come with the inside hose here. And it does come with extra pour and a carbonation cap if you happen to have those kind of accessories. I don't, so haven't used that. And of course the pump and lids for everything as well. So it does have a lid so you can put liquid in it and then store it. It does have a good seal on it. Put it in the fridge, put it in the cooler, and then when you're ready to use that, break it out. Now I will say it does have O-rings and everything, but it only holds carbonated beverages for about 24 to 36 hours. So that's not very long. So if you're going to use it, go ahead and use it right away and get the job done. But like I said, at the most, I've had it last 36 hours, but at most is around 24 hours to keep carbonated beverages good, and they still were refreshing and tasty. After that, they might get a little bit flat on you. So just something to put out there. Now, I'm going to put it together in a second, but let's talk about, people are going to ask right away, how many beers does it hold? How many drinks? So it does hold 10 beers with the foam or carbonation, depending, 10 sodas, depending on what you're using, but it is said to hold 128 ounces of liquid. But like I said, with foam, with beer, you're probably not going to be able to get that much in there. And so you could, pour some, let it settle, and then pour some more. But if you're just filling it up right away, about 10 beers it's going to hold. So like I said, it's going to hold those carbonated and everything sealed up, even with the tap on it and those types of stuff, for about 24 hours. And it's going to be still cold, delicious, and refreshing. So very cool. I'm going to show you guys how to put this together real quick. Like I said, you're going to have your keg here. You're going to take the lid off. You're going to put the hose right here for setup here. And just kind of get that to go all the way in there like that. And then we're going to just feed that into it. And we can go ahead and screw that on. There we go. And you want to go ahead and kind of hold it by and twist it until you get a good seal. Then we're going to take the other lids off. This does have a lid that it'll come with on the top here, but we'll take that off. And then you're going to have to put the clamps on the hose. So it'll come with the clamps. You'll also have it these are all be separate pieces, but it's going to be the outside hose with the clamps. Go ahead and feed that piece into the hose. Put your clamp on, tighten your clamp. And then we're going to go ahead and put that on the piece right here. As far as you can, go ahead and put that clamp on, tighten your clamps. I'm just setting up for demonstration purposes, but yeah, tighten all your clamps and everything. Then we're going to go ahead and put the pump on. tighten that down, and you have yourself a keg, which is really, really cool. I do like it in everywhere. I think it looks fantastic. Like I said, you can accessorize it. You look how good it looks with some stickers on there. You can put your favorite team on there, and yeah, it looks fantastic. Now, you only need about 1 or 2 pumps, and if you think you pumped it too much, you can actually relieve. Oh, let's see, I already have some pressure in there with the pressure relief little pin here, so you can relieve that pressure. But it does pressurize, like I said, anything. You can have tea in there, soda, water, whatever you want to put in there, and it's going to pour out for you whatever beverage you want. And so it's really, really cool. Like I said, it fits in a lot of things. Like I have a little cooler that I put it in, and I can just put ice around it, and you can roll around in that cooler. So it's really cool. Put ice around it, stays cold, all those good stuff. So very cool little mini keg, the FERRODAY Stainless Mini Keg. So let's finish this up with a little cleaning tips, a little bit of pros and cons, and then my final thoughts. So cleaning this is a little bit of a pain in the butt. So you do want to take it apart, get all the hoses and all the little mini pieces, and then put them in a little bucket of water, and go ahead and put some dish soap in there, your cleaning solution of preference, which dish soap is nice, and just let them sit in there for a while. Just rinse them out, hot water a lot, until you get all those cleaning agents out, and repeat the process until you have it nice and clean and up to your standard. So I think that's the biggest pain, is just taking everything apart and putting everything in something and just letting it sit and clean, because you don't want any of those sticky beers or sodas or any kind of drinks in there to remain in there. You want a nice fresh start every time you start. So I think clean is the biggest issue with this, in my opinion, but it's still worth it using it when you're using it. So pros for sure, it's $80. I think that's a great price point for everything you get. You get the keg, you get every little item that you see here, the pour spout, even extra, couple little extra pieces. It's really easy to set up. It's really easy to use. It's fun to use. I'm always getting compliments on it. Like I said, tons of events coming up this year. Still Thanksgiving, football games, championships, Super Bowl, Christmas, New Year's, and it'd be really cool to serve everybody with a little mini keg, right? So that's really, really cool. So those are all positives. Some of my negatives is it only holds 10 beers. It's supposed to hold 128 ounces of liquid, but when you're pouring beers in there, they do foam up, bubble up, those types of things with sodas and things. So it's not going to hold that many. And usually have to wait about half an hour for that to settle down before you can continue to go. So it could be a little treacherous filling up with items like that, like beer. But I just put 10 beers in it, seal it up, and I'm good to go. I think 10 beers is pretty good count for me on there. So very good there. And it also only will hold carbonated liquids for about 24 hours before they'll start getting flat and stuff, before you notice they're just not as good as when they're freshly poured, So about 24 hours, and that's not as good as some CO2 units. But like I said, this one's a lot easier to use because you don't have to worry about that. So as long as you use it right away, use it while it's fresh, and I think it's going to hold that. And I don't think any event's usually lasting 24 hours, but as long as you're good to go and using it while it's fresh, yeah, it should be working pretty good for you. Another negative that I have is cleaning. Like I said, the cleaning just torques me off, and I hate cleaning it, but I love using it. So like I said, you got to take all the pieces off and clean them all separately, run water through them, those types of things, and just make sure that those cleaning agents go through every piece and that it's up to your standards. So very, very cool. As always, drink responsibly when you're drinking any kind of alcoholic beverage, but yeah, it's really cool to have a little party device like this. It's nostalgic, it's fun, a lot of events coming up, and yeah, it's really cool. Every time I use this, I get a lot of compliments. So very, very cool. Other than that, final thoughts on it, man, I give it 2 thumbs up. It has all the pieces you need. It's really easy to set up, really easy to take down. Cleanup's a little monotonous, but other than that, it holds your drinks, it pours your drinks. You can share it. with other people. You can say, hey, I'm going to bring 10 beers over and show up with this thing. So it's very cool. You get a lot of compliments, a lot of buzz, a lot of feedback, those types of things. So it's really fun to use. It's the FERRODAY Stainless Mini Keg with the pressurized pump. Like I said, it's really easy to use. Like I said, 1 or 2 pumps is all you need, and you're pressurized. And you can see that I have some pressure right there. You can see, so very easy to use, and yeah, it's fun. All right, guys, other than that, that's all I got for you. It's been DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Leave me a comment if you think it's cool or not, or something you could use. But other than that, yeah, I can't wait to see you on my next video or tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed. Once again, the FERRODAY Stainless Mini Keg with pressurized pump. It's good for beers, any kind of drinks out there, even water. You can just put water in it and bring some water over. So yeah, it'll work for anything, and it's only $80. So please, if this is helpful, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I can't wait to see you on my next video or tutorial. We'll catch you later.